Hello friends, I am N. Arunadhavan of 7th A Demonstration School, Mysore. Today I am going to demonstrate activity 6.8 of chapter 6, 7th Standard Science, CBSE. The materials required for this activity are baking soda, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, lime water, also known as calcium hydroxide, vinegar, also known as dilute acetic acid, test tube stand, single hole rubber cork fixed with delivery tube. We shall take 2 test tubes. In one test tube, pour the vinegar. In another test tube, pour the freshly prepared lime water. Keep the one end of the delivery tube in the lime water. Now put little baking soda to the test tube containing vinegar. Observe. We observe that when we add baking soda to the vinegar, we would hear hissing sound and gas bubbles coming out. After transferring the gas to the lime water, the transparent lime water turns milky in color. From this activity, we conclude that when we add baking soda to the vinegar, carbon dioxide and other substances form. Simultaneously, when we pass carbon dioxide to lime water, forms calcium carbonate and water. As new substances form, this indicates the chemical change. Thank you.